For the continuation of our solution process regarding about example number 1, finally the solution is ito. Dahil ang F, laging in-equate sa C, ang F pwede kong palitan ng C. But take note, at the end part of our solution or our final answer, kailangan matuto tayo mag-manipulate. Here is it. Ang F, pinalitan ko lang actually ang originally ng C. But since napapansin ko yung term 1, yung x squared over 2, at yung 1 up y squared, pareho may denominator na 2, ang arbitrary constant kong C, nilagyan ko ng over 2. Para kamukha lang ng first and the last term na may over 2. At dahil ang arbitrary constant is wala tayong fixed value, nilagyan ko ng over 2, pwede kong manipulate yung kabuuan ng equation at i-multiply ng 2. Because 2 is the common denominator or least common denominator of all the terms that we can see. 2xy is over 1 yan. So ang LCD ng 2, ng 1, ng 2, ng 2 is simply 2. So I am going to multiply the entire equation by 2. And to simplify it, this is our general solution or final answer. X squared plus 4xy plus y squared is equal to C. At yan ang entire flow ng ating calculation sa ating example number 1. Klaro ba ang ating halimbawa?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So, isa lang ang sumagot. Yung iba, klaro ba? Klaro ba ang halimbawa natin? Yung iba sa inyo dyan, nakikinig ba talaga? Ba't hindi nagre-reply? Ba't hindi nagre-react?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us proceed to example number 2. So, mas sumirap lang konti yung equation number 2. Okay, yan. Medyo nagkaroon na ng mga exponent. Example number 2 is 2xy minus 3x squared to be multiplied by the differential operator dx. And then we also have the parenthesis of x squared plus 2y multiplied by dy. What is then our general solution in this particular differential equation? So let us try kung applicable ba ang exact equation as a method in finding the equation or general solution of our equation. Kung di kasi applicable ang exact equation, maybe gagamitin ko variable separable. Kung hindi pwede ang variable separable, malamang ang gagamitin ko dyan is equations with homogeneous coefficient. Kung hindi pa applicable yon, malamang integrating factor found by inspection yan, or found by formula, or Bernoulli equation pala yan. So napakaraming method na pwede nating i-apply sa isang differential equation. Depende kung saan applicable ang DE natin. So for the solution proper, we have to test for the exactness of DE first. What do you think is the value of M in this given number 2? If you are really listening. Anong value ng M?
2xy minus 3x squared.
How about the N?
X squared plus 2y.
So let us start. Una, M is equals to 2xy minus 3x squared. And then we have to calculate for the dm over dy. At yan ang nakuha natin is 2x. Tama, no? Tama ba derivative ko?
Yes, sir.
Because 3x squared is considered as a constant. Because ang gagawin natin dito with respect to y, 3x squared will then be equal to 0, but 2xy its derivative with respect to y is 2x. How about this? What is its derivative with respect to x naman?
2x.
Kapag n na, with respect to x lagi yan. Ang 2y naman ang magiging 0. Since nag-equal ang dalawa, ibig sabihin, exact DE yung given natin. Klaro ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yung ginagawa,
po.
yan. Tinetest mo muna kung exact DE ba ang equation before we proceed to the method. Baka mamaya hindi mo tinest. Hindi pala exact yan, mamamali ka. Okay, so the solution process that we have now, in order to calculate for the general solution of our given differential equation, step 1. Ano kasi ang step 1? Kung nakikinig talaga kayo, paano ko hanapin ang step 1?
Let df over x
Equal to?
let over df equals m.
Parang ngongo yung boses. Chappy, chappy, chappy.
And
Yes, sir,
na-base
correct.
math po kasi.
Yes.
Let
Let df
Over?
equals m.
Equals M. Okay. So, ito yan, no? Okay. Equation 1. How about step 2?
df over dx equals to n.
Ano?
df over dy equals to n po.
Yan. Okay. So, it will then be this one. Okay. So, kompleto na ang step 1 and equation 2. Meron tayong equation 1 and equation 2 from step 1 and step 2. We can now proceed to step 3. Anong gagawin sa step 3?
Integrate.
Ang alin?
Equation 1.
Equation
1
With respect to?
x.
And then taking
Y.
as a
Y
constant.
as a constant.
Because
Let us see. Okay, correct. Very good. So you're a good listener. Now, i-reset our equation 1 and we're going to cross-multiply dx first to the right-hand side of the equation. Tataas mo muna yung dx sa kanan. Yan. And then afterward, we're going to integrate both sides. What do you think is our integral here?
F is equals to
Yung nga, f is equals to
x squared y minus x cubed.
x squared y minus x cubed. Tingnan ko nga. Okay, taking y as a constant. Okay, tama. Kaya lang, huwag kakalimutang mag-add ng t of y. Okay, t of y, not ty, t of y, kasi function yan. Okay, t of y, equation 3. Okay, so next. What will be the next step for step 4? What do we have?
equate.
Are you sure?
Differentiate equation 3.
Differentiate equation 3
Differentiate equation
with
3
respect
po.
to
Y.
and taking.
X is a constant.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So that's the instruction. And then, integrate natin. Differentiate natin. Okay. So, ito yung ating equation. 3 kanina. Now, we're going to differentiate it. Ayan ang ating differentiation process. Tama ba ang equation 4 natin? Kung pagkaka-differentiate, tingnan nyo. Is it correct?
Yes,
With respect
sir.
to y tayo.
Yes
So,
po.
mawawala yung y sa x or y. And then, magiging 0 naman ang x cube kasi taking x as a constant. And then, ang t of y is magiging t prime of y. Ang f is magiging df over dy. So, that is our equation 4. And step 4. But how about step 5? Equate natin ang
Equate.
equation 4 and 2. Okay. So, if this is it, what do you think is the value of our equation 5? Hello? Anong value na
T prime
equation
y
5?
is equals to 2y.
Okay. And then step 6, integrate equation 5 tayo. Kapag in-integrate ko ang equation 5, lalagyan ko lang ng integral symbol both sides at magkakaroon lang ng dy ang 2y. What do you think is the value of our integral? So that we can have equation 6.
dy is equals to y.
dy is equals to? Ano? Pakiulat?
Y squared po pala.
Y square lang. Okay. Are you sure? Y square lang, ha? O, 2y
Yes,
square over 2. Cancel lang 2. Okay. Tama. So, we already have now our equation 6. And then, this is the right time to proceed to the last step. Substitute equation 6 to equation 3. Ano ba yung equation 3? Di ba yung equation 3 natin, yung nahanap natin kanina na nag-integrate tayo? Tama ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yung T of y, ito yung equation 3 eh. Papalitan lang natin yung T of y ng y square. And that's it. So napalitan ko na ng y square. Anong value ng f? Ano ba ang sabi ko kanina na ang f pina-equate lagi sa C.
C.
Okay, finally the solution is this one. So yung F, parang pinalitan ko lang ng C. So this is our final answer, the general solution of our given differential equation. Klaro ba ang pagkakakuha ng ating final answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hindi ba medyo maaba yung steps? Tama ba ako?
Opo.
Pero may maikling paraan yan. Shortcut method. Okay. Sample number 1, di ba ito yung halimbawa natin kanina? Tama ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Yes po,
So,
sir.
ang gagawin natin, yung dx, i-distribute natin each term at yung dy to each term na naka-enclose in parenthesis. By doing that, anong magiging continuation ng ating solution if I will do that? Distribute dx to each term and dy. Anong basa ninyo sa equation kapag gagawin natin yon? Would you please kindly dictate to me the results?
X dx plus
Tapos?
2y dx
Okay?
plus 2x dy plus y dy.
Okay,
equals
very
to
good.
0.
So that is the next step. And then after na na-distribute ang dx and dy to its term of its binomial in our given differential equation, enlist lang natin, ililista natin yung mga direct integrable at saka indirect integrable. Direct integrable na kapag ang given mo is x and then ang operator mo is dx. X dx and y dy are both direct integrable. Ito yung equation natin. Integrate natin ang lahat ng mga direct integrables, ang sum nila. And then, integrate natin ang indirect integrable. Pipili lang tayo ng isa. Kung dalawa man ang indirect integrable, pipili ka lang ng isa. Can you follow?
Yes po.
Okay, in this
Yes, sir.
situation, ang 2y dx at ang 2x dy, parehong indirect integrable yan. Ito, no? Yung dalawang ito, yan, at saka ito, parehong dito yan. Parehong indirect yan. Bakit? Ang operator mo, x, ang given mo, y. 2y. Ito, 2x ka, pero ang differential operator mo, dy. Indirect integrable yan. Can you follow? Kaya lang,
Yes, sir.
among these two,
Yes, sir.
pipili lang tayo lagi ng isa. Okay. Is that very clear? Pipili lang ng isa. I repeat. Pipili lang ng isa sa dalawa. Okay, direct integrable naman yung x dx and y dy. So let me show them to you. Direct integrables are x dx and y dy. Parehong gagamitin. Lahat ng direct integrable, gagawin natin. I-integrate natin yung sum nila. Okay? Next. Indirect integrable, pipili ka lang ng isa sa dalawa. Gagawin mo lang yung shortcut na yan kapag napatunayan mo na exact equation ang given. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
So hindi
Yes,
pa rin
sir.
nawawala yung method natin kanina na i-check mo muna kung exact o hindi. Kapag alam mo exact, gawin mo na yung shortcut. Ito yun. Usually, ito ginagawa sa licensure examination. But inside the class, I will not tolerate you to use this. Kasi baka mamiyasa tayo. Hindi okay yon. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang dinedevelop lang natin, hindi lang yung intellectual natin, pati yung pag-uugali natin. So kailangan matutunan natin gawin yung mga mahihirap na paraan, yung mahihirap na daan. Kasi actually, paniniwala ko doon tayo mas natututo kasi marami tayong experiences na madadaanan. Okay, sa indirect integrables, susulat ko sila, dalawa sila. Ayan. Kaya lang, sabi ko kanina, pipili ka lang ng isa sa dalawa. Can you follow? Is my instruction very clear?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, apply ko ngayon ang equation na yan. The summation of all direct integrable plus the integral of indirect integrable. So, ito yan. Di ba? Ang pinili kong direct integrable, ito sila, yung dalawa. Ito at saka yun. Can you follow? Pinili ko, bot. Among the two indirect integrable, alin man ang piliin mo dyan, okay lang eh. Walang problema. Kasi mag-arrive ka lang sa parehong integral. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, napili ko dito, in this case, is 2y dx. And that's it. So, integrate ko lang. Ano ba ang integral ng x dx?
X squared over 2.
Square over 2. Ano ba ang integral ng y dy?
Y squared over 2.
Ano ang integral ng 2y dx?
2xy.
And then sa right side, magdadagdag lang tayo ng c. And then, we manipulate c to the right side. Depende sa mga denominators ng bawat term. Ayan siya, di ba? So, una c lang ang inad ko. At dahil napansin ko na may 2 over 2 ang x square at ang y square may over 2, lalagyan ko rin lang c ng over 2. Can you follow? Kasi yan ang
Yes,
least common
sir.
denominator ng mga denominators natin. Yung 2xy automatic may denominator na 1 yan. So 2, 2, and 1, their LCD is 2. That's why I have divided the arbitrary constant c by 2. And then afterward, multiply ko lahat ng term by 2. Can you follow? Ayan yan. Nag-multiply ako ng 2 sa bawat term. Klaro ba?
Yes, sir.
And to finalize, yan ang sagot natin. X squared plus 4xy plus y squared. Tinanghan natin sa long method. Balikan ko yung long method. Di ba ito yung long method natin? Di ba nakakapagod? Madali lang ng pangalan yan. X squared plus 4xy plus y squared is equals to c. Pareho lang. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Pareho lang silang nag-arrive sa tamang sagot. Kumbaga, kanina, ang dami nyo munang procedure na dinaanan. So sa bawat procedure na madaanan mo, ang dami mo experiences na makakapag-develop ng yung skill. Hindi imagine na natatandaan mo, nare-recall mo, differential calculus mo, not only integral calculus. But in this session, a shortcut, nag-integrate ka lang. Okay? Anyway, may differential calculus pa rin naman kapag nag-integrate ka eh. Kaya lang yung mga minimum lang na formula ang ginamit natin dito. Nakuha pa rin? Naintindihan
Yes,
na
sir.
yung shortcut.
Opo.
Okay, let us proceed to the example number 2 shortcut also. Yan. Paki-state yung proceeding ng ating equation. The next move. Anong gagawin ko? Who can perform? Who can tell us the next step? Anong
2x
proceeding?
squared dx
Okay?
minus 3x squared dx
Pakilakas siya ng boses, okay?
x squared dy plus 2y dy
Okay, so
equals to
that's it.
0.
Okay, tama. So again, gagamitin natin ang formula na yan. Ano yung direct integrable? Paki-enumerate.
3x squared dx.
Oops, may kulang.
Negative. Negative
Okay,
po pala.
kasama yung negative, tama. Okay, correct. Pangalawa.
2y dy.
Okay, sino nagsasalita?
Si Mark po.
Mark Magkalas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about the indirect integrables?
2xy dx.
At saka,
X squared dy.
okay, so we also have 2. Lahat ba ng direct integrable consider?
Yes, sir.
Ilang indirect integrable lang ang gagamitin?
Isa.
Isa lang. Okay, very good. So if you're going to do that, ayan siya. Pinili ko yung dalawa at yung isang indirect. Kaya lang, by this case, pinili ko yung x square yata. Yan. Pero pwede rin yung 2xy dx para walang naman ang magiging integral nila kapag nag-integrate tayo. Can you follow?
Yes po.
Okay. So please kindly integrate the given. Paki-integrate nga.
Negative x cubed.
Tapos,
Yx squared.
parang, okay, yx square or x square y. Tama. Sige, pinagbaliktad lang. Next.
Y squared, sir.
Okay. And then, equal?
C.
C. Meron pa ba akong kailangang manipulate? Wala na kasi denominator nilang lahat is 1. And that is actually our final answer. Is it very clear now? Ang kaibahan ng long method sa shortcut.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Ano ang mas simple? Ito o yung kanina?
Yung shortcut, sir.
Shortcut. Makakatulong ito sa licensure examination sa inyo. Sa ibang mga classroom, sa ibang mga discussions or class, hindi di-discuss yan. Idadaan kayo sa mga mahirap na paraan. Pero ito, ibinigay ko pa rin. Ganun pa rin yung konsepto ko, no? Huwag niyong gamitin sa mga exams sa akin yan. Maliban na lang kung multiple choice, papayagan ko kayo. Kasi stilong board exam yon. Pero kung learning activity, huwag niyong i-apply. Gawin niyo yung long method. Pwede niyong gamitin yan pang-check ng sagot ninyo, ng final answer ninyo. Halimbawa, nag-long method ka, gusto mong i-verify kung nakatama ka. I-solve mo sa shortcut. Kapag nagparehas yan, tama ka. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's the end of our session under the exact equation.